Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to input data into your graphing calculator. On this calculator, I have my stat button right here, and that's what I would use in order to access the different lists that are sort of pre-programmed into the calculator. You can actually define any list you want and give it whatever name, but this calculator has 6 predefined lists that you can use without having to do that. So that's where I would find those, and I'm just going to click on this. So I'm going to click on Stat, and if I want to edit a list, in other words, change the values that are in it, I'm just going to click on Edit, and it brings me to my lists. And then I can just enter whatever data I want. 5, enter 6.1, enter 4.7, enter 5.2, enter 6.3, 4.9, and let's just call that good. So now I have a list with 6 different values in it, and I can just enter these whatever values I need. In fact, if you're savvy enough, you can write a program that will do some calculations and store results into a list. That's a more advanced skill. Not going to cover that in this video, but this is how you would enter data into a list in your graphing calculator. If you want to access more than one list, just move the cursor over. And if you want to clear a list, move it all the way up to the top and then hit the clear button. That will clear that list. So that will get rid of all of the values in that list. But that's how you enter data into one of the lists.